Hey guys, welcome back on our channel. This is Stuco, and today we're gonna show you how to add a new CAS experience and CAS reflections to your portfolio. So first of all, you open ManageBac. Cool. Now you go on IB Manager right here. And there you should be already on the CAS thingy, but if not, up here you can click on CAS and then you will end up here. So to add a new CAS experience, you go up here and click on Add CAS Experience, and here you type the name of your experience. So I don't know, for example, Stuco. Then here you can select if it's creativity, activity, or service, different types of services here, different approaches here, and here's a bunch of other things you need to fill in. And then once you did all of this, you can click on Add CAS Experience, and then it should appear right here. Cool. And you can still edit all of this if you want to change some things by clicking on it and then clicking Edit Experience. Now to add reflections, you click on this part here, Reflections and Evidence, and you go down here and you just type in whatever you want to say, whatever you want to reflect on, or you film yourself and talk about your, you reflect, but well, you talk, and then you upload that video here or as a file here, or you add photos, and yeah, and then you just put then you just click Add New Entry, and that's it. That's your reflection, and everything will be listed in the same area. And to get an overview, you click back on CAS up here, and you can scroll down and see how many different learning outcomes you've ticked, and you can also check out a timeline, which is up here. And yeah, this is CAS. Thanks for watching, and bye.